Hello everyone. Welcome to the micro lesson on optimizing e-commerce logistics. I am teacher Gongfeng. Today we will together unveil the mysterious veil of that unseen yet crucial link behind online shopping, the logistics system. Everyone, please imagine a familiar scene. You buy a Xiaomi phone on Taobao. You choose JD Logistics for delivery. The next day, the courier delivers the phone to your hands. Now everyone, please think Taobao, Xiaomi and JD Logistics, which is the most critical link in enabling this satisfactory shopping experience. Perhaps you would say the platform or the brand. But in reality, logistics is the core link that realizes the last mile delivery, directly determining the user experience. Without it, the transaction cannot truly be completed. In this lesson, we will systematically learn about e-commerce logistics around 4 parts, analyzing the symbiotic relationship between e-commerce and logistics. First, what is e-commerce logistics? It is not simply about delivering goods, but a series of logistics activities derived from and centered on e-commerce demands. It has 3 distinctive characteristics: strong timeliness, wide service scope, long supply chain. It utilizes networked computer technology, modern equipment and management technology to deliver goods to users on time, at fixed locations and in specified quantities. So what exactly is the relationship between e-commerce and logistics? They are golden partners, interdependent and growing together. On one hand, modern logistics is a necessary condition for e-commerce development. Without efficient logistics, the rapid promotion of e-commerce is difficult to achieve. On the other hand, e-commerce also provides the logistics industry with the technical conditions and market environment for development. For example, helping logistics enterprises achieve large-scale intelligent operations. Understanding the relationship, let's look at how enterprises choose logistics models. The first is the light asset model. That is third-party logistics. For example, the familiar express companies like Waitosto Yunda Onda SF Express. As a professional third party, it provides delivery services for e-commerce platforms. SF Express has established a closed-loop intelligent logistics chain. Its drone technology is also very mature. KNEO Network focuses on building a large logistics system and delivery terminals. JD Logistics has also established subsidiaries, developing unmanned technology. The advantage of this model is professionalism and flexibility. It can help e-commerce enterprises focus on their core business. The second is the heavy asset model. That is enterprise self-operated logistics. For example, JD Logistics, Suning Logistics. These e-commerce platforms establish their own complete logistics systems, controlling delivery quality and timeliness throughout the process. The advantages are good user experience and strong self-control. But the disadvantages are also very obvious. For example, huge investment, high costs, and it can easily distract the enterprise from its main business focus. The efficient operation of logistics is inseparable from the powerful support of intelligent technology. First is identification and tracking technology, such as barcodes, RFID, GPS, GPIs. They are like the ID card and navigation device for goods. Barcodes and RFID are used for rapid collection of goods information, while GPS and GIs can perform real-time positioning and route management of items during transportation, letting them know at any time where the package is. Going further are big data and intelligent algorithms. Through technologies such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence on cloud computing, the logistics system can analyze full journey data, achieving intelligent regulation and route optimization. For example, UPS's intelligence system can, based on historical data, plan the optimal delivery route for couriers. Blockchain technology can ensure data is not tampered with. 5G networks guarantee ultra-fast data transmission. Let's expand our perspective globally. To look at cross-border logistics, the most economical method is postal parcels. It is cheap and has wide coverage, can be mailed to postal outlets worldwide. But the disadvantage is slow speed, relatively high risk of lost packages. Another is cross-border, dedicated line logistics, targeting specific countries or regions, such as Europe and America zones for consolidated transportation. It achieves a good balance between timeliness and cost. suitable for medium-scale sellers with stable orders. If fast delivery is needed, international commercial express can be chosen, such as DHL UPS, etc. Their speed is extremely fast, can deliver globally in 1 to 3 Daltons YS at the fastest, but the price is also very high, approximately 10 times that of postal parcels, suitable for shipping high-value or urgent goods. For mature cross-border sellers, overseas warehouses are a strategic choice. Its model is shipping goods in bulk to warehouses in the target country in advance and storing them. When overseas consumers place an order, the goods are shipped directly from the local warehouse, achieving delivery within hours at the fastest. Its advantages are low logistics cost, fast delivery timeliness, but the disadvantages are sellers need to bear the risk of inventory backlog and financial pressure. Additionally, there are cross-border sea freight, air freight, and hybrid models combining air freight and local courier delivery, such as Air Express, meeting the diverse needs of different sellers. Finally, let's summarize today's content. At the knowledge level, we understood the close interdependent relationship between e-commerce and logistics, mastered the characteristics of third-party logistics and self-operated logistics, learned about the application of key logistics, technologies like barcodes, GPS, etc., and became familiar with the pros and cons of mainstream cross-border logistics, methods like postal parcels and overseas warehouses. At the ability goal level, we hope everyone in the future can, based on product characteristics, preliminarily choose a suitable logistics model for an online store, be able to skillfully use logistics apps to track packages, and understand the flow information, be able to make basic decisions on different cross-border logistics solutions. Logistics is not just simple delivery. It is the powerful engine supporting the entire e-commerce world. It is the last mile that determines the user experience. We hope this lesson can help everyone transform from a receiver into an e-commerce professional who understands logistics. Thank you for listening. We will see you next time.